Hello, my name is Oscar, and now we are going to take a look at my research that I did. It is called What Does Affect Athletes? I'll explain the data and the results with the conclusions that I got. So let's skip the history part. In order to complete my job, I choose two athletes. First one is Eliud Kipchoge. He is a Kenyan long distance runner, as you can see, 2016 Olympic champion. And the reason why did I take him is because he is a current world record holder. For each of them, I chose 5 marathons. And for each marathon, I created like a summarizing table that consists of a general information for each marathon. Let's scroll down a bit. And here's a summarizing table for all of the 5 marathons for each athlete. And here you can see a time. I converted the time into the seconds in order to properly build up the graph. Mean for Eliud Kipchoge runs is 2 hours, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Range equals to 5 minutes and 5 seconds between his worst and his best result. Interquartile range equals to 2 minutes and 38 seconds with a standard deviation 1 minute and 49 seconds. Actually, this is the best data for a top athlete ever. You can see from a box whisker plot this very small range where the median lies somewhere around 7400 seconds. That approximately that's equals to 2 hours and 3 minutes. I'm sorry. Now we can see time attitude graph. So how does the attitude affect time, which means how does the attitude affects the result. So his best results, as it can be easily seen from here, was shown up is between 150 and 200s, or to be exactly 183. So he showed up his best result. He set up his personal best where it was 183 meters above the sea level. So it doesn't have the line at best fit because it looks like a parabola. Yes, it's gonna go up as we are more increasing, because the more altitude you have, the less oxygen you're gonna have in there. So as I said, the best range is between 150 and 200s, and I'm going to once more prove it with another athlete. Here you can see a time and temperature graph, which is result and temperature as well. It doesn't look like just a linear equation, it looks like a parabola once more, and the best result was shown up in within the range in 10 and 15 degrees, or to be exact, it was 12 degrees Celsius, which means that the best range for a race is approximately like 10 and 15. The same information I have for a second athlete that I chose. He's a Zerzanite DSM. Okay, let's scroll it down. Here you can see the same summarizing table. For didn't finish, I just added up a 5 minutes into his worst result just in order to build up this graph and include it as a point. So mean equals to 2 hours, 8 minutes and 59 seconds. Range between the best and the worst is 12 minutes and 19 seconds. Interquartile range equals to 3 minutes and 33 seconds, and the standard deviation for minutes 5 seconds. Actually, it's still good result for a top athlete, but it's not that good as Eliud Kipchoge runs. And you can see this a little bit, it's just a bit larger range in comparison to Eliud Kipchoge, but it's still good. Very good for marathon runs. As you can see here, we have once more a parabola, and the best range for an attitude is between 150 and 200s. Once more, the same thing we have for temperature. The best range is between 10 and 15. As you can see, the personal best was set up in 12 degrees Celsius. So in conclusion, I'm just going to compare these two athletes, Eliud Kipchoge and Zerzhinay Tadesse. So I've built up this graph. So here is Eliud Kipchoge to the y-axis, and the x-axis we're gonna have Zerzhinay Tadesse. So this graph has linear best fit, and it has an actual equation. The slope equals to 0.4364, which means that per 1 second that runs Tadesse, Eliud runs 0.4 second, which means that Eliud Kipchoge has the better results than Zerzhinay Tadesse, and it can be even be easily seen from their personal bests. The personal best for Zerzhinay Tadesse is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. However, for Eliud Kipchoge, the personal best equals to 2 minutes and 2 hours. Equals to 2 hours and 25 seconds. But for Zerzhinay Tadesse, it equals to 2 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, so now I just proved that time has actually influence on the temperature actually has an influence on the athlete's result, as well as an attitude has an influence on it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.